2. 9-foot tall drywall with a double door. We have insulated glass. And what we're going to do is expand this 40 foot coming down to that white line. And we will attach, we'll also put a door in on the 3rd panel. And then we will attach to one of the, come right off of the wall and extend the building. Some of the good options with modular that you can expand and subtract at the same time. All of our windows in here are insulated, clear tempered safety glass. Said the panels are 9 foot tall on the inside. It's a gray vinyl drywall, giving you a clear height down about 8'6". We have modular wiring in here. The customer has also run air lines coming down, so they connect to the labs. And then also off to the side, we have a QC manager's office, which again you'll see modular wiring, insulated glass, and all the red tape is just depicting where they will be putting their cabinetry, and then also layout for the furniture.